Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you in awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, darling pain. Listening to you talk about sound so made. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you. Oh, Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start?
Ba 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 da 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 ya ba da da hey, ba da. What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring into the blue, unrequited, terrifying. Love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow to my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I love you from the start? Confess I love you, just thinking of you. I know I love you from the start. Heart.